Hey, what's up guys, I'm Raman Sharma here and welcome back to a new video. So today we are going to talk about Microsoft Windows and a bug that is found in the version 2004, and it may cause your SSD to run slower over the time and may have a shorter lifespan and integrity. So what caused this bug and what Microsoft is doing about that, and what you can do to fix this. That all we're going to talk about in this video. So let's get started. So Microsoft is quite popular, quite well known for pushing bugs with the newer Windows update, but this one is quite serious. This bug allows your operating system to defrag your solid state drive more often than required. Though this defragment of the drive is quite popular and good for the mechanical traditional hard drives, but for SSDs it's not much recommended and may cause reduced lifespan, less integrity, and maybe slower read and write speeds. But what does this defragging or defragment actually means? Basically, data is written in blocks on whatever drive you are having. It may be a hard drive or a solid state drive, and whenever you access those files, the data gets scattered, and the process of relocating those scattered data in a way that they sit next to each other is called defragging or defragment. That scattering of data may lead to the poor performance of your mechanical hard drive, which has plates which rotates in order to access the data. The more scattered the pieces, the bits of data are, the more it has to rotate to access the data. You may take an example of a drawer or maybe a closet in which you are keeping your stuff, and the more you access those stuff, the more you use those stuff, you tend to keep those stuff away, and they scattered and are hard to access when in need. And so what this defragment do, it relocates the data and put it into the allocated space. So it is easier to access that data when in need. The more the hardware spins, the lesser its life will be, the slower it will perform over time. But in the case of solid state drives, the solid state drive doesn't get affected by the scattering of data as such, because the NAND storage cells which they use can be rewritten n number of times, and it doesn't affect its integrity or lifespan. So defragging the solid state drives is not very much recommended. When Microsoft rolled out the May 2020 update in the Windows back in May, obviously it introduced this bug in the optimized drive feature, which make it hard to understand or to remember when the drive was last optimized, even if the drive has been optimized very recently. And in turn, what happens? Whenever you reboot your system, your SSD gets refragged every time. Though Microsoft has acknowledged the bug and has rolled out the fix in the Windows Insider program build, but for the general public, for the open versions of the Windows, it is yet to come. So what you can do to save your SSD till Microsoft fixes for the general public? Let's see. So basically what you have to do is just type in defrag in this search, and here you will see optimized drives. Here is my solid state drive which never needs optimization. That's the bug I'm talking about. The optimized drive can't recall when the drive was last optimized. You see, it's saying last analyzed optimized never run. So just click on change settings and uncheck this run on schedule, and then click OK. So this is the shortest method you can save your solid state drives to slow over time and have a lesser integrity. I hope you would have liked this informative video and would try to do that method so that you can make your SSD run faster and save your SSD to lose its integrity and the reduced lifespan. It's a basic simple trick. You could share this video to your friends who use an SSD, whether it's an NVMe or a SATA SSD. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video and subscribe to this channel and share this video because it is quite informative, y'all. So, and I will meet you in the next one. Till then, stay techy, stay connected.